channel. Jay here. Just wanted to share what driving along at 75 miles an hour in the Camaro sounds like. Maybe even feels like a little bit here. I'm going to mount this. Hopefully it's not too shaky as I do so. Something about the ride too, of course, having the magnetic shocks, but this is what the sound, this is what the inside sounds like. Road noise, if you will. Sorry if that's jumping a little bit. You can hear the signal, hopefully. Going at about just about 1700, 1800 RPM. Just wanted to appreciate how quiet it is in the cabin in this thing. Doing 75 miles an hour in 6th gear. And I know the camera's probably shaking around a little bit, but it's actually a very smooth ride. I'm going to try to taper that. That's it. Just wanted to share the road noise here, or lack thereof. It's pretty sealed up cabin, and this thing continues to impress me in many ways. But that's another way that this thing is. They've done a good job, Chevy. Chevy, you did a good job there. So that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Please like and comment and consider subscribing. And we'll see you next time. In the meantime, be safe out there.